All my life I've sort of had music going on in my head when I play golf. There's always a couple of songs that I keep going back to. You know, it's really kind of a total escape. I think I'm pushing 90 rounds so far this year. I'll be over 100 by the time the season's over. Golf has been my primary source of exercise. I've always walked the golf course whenever I could. I ended up writing a book about golf because I became so passionate about the sport and about the development of golf in Minnesota after I moved to St. Paul and started working for the Pioneer Press. It was in 2016, my wife and I took a golf trip to Ireland, a real bucket list trip for me. I knew I needed to get that trip in fairly soon because my knee was kind of deteriorating, but I could still walk. Then in the middle of the trip, I slipped on a wet cobblestone street and my knee buckled, and once I got back to Stillwater and tried to walk my home golf course, I could only make it through 9 holes, and that's when I knew I needed to do the knee replacement surgery. I have used TCO for other injury rehab situations, so I was completely confident they'd do a great job for me. By the time the next golf season started, I was thinking, well, let's see, should I walk the first 9 holes, take a cart for the back 9? Well, I walked the front 9 and I still felt great, so I walked the back 9 and I really haven't been in a cart at all since then. It's just holding up beautifully. I've had no problems with it at all. I'm grateful to TCO because without my knee replacement surgery, I wouldn't be playing golf as often as I'm playing, I wouldn't be playing as well as I'm playing, and I'd probably have to be in a golf cart, which I guess is better than nothing, but it's really not the way I want to play the game.